सर आज तुम्ही सबस्टेशन विजिट केलं.
होय अशें हांव 15 तारीख येवपाचो आसलो. So I was slightly held up and I told the minister actually that I would not be able to make it. I'm very impressed with the full setup here. I'm thankful to Arun. He has been very helpful actually, and he has basically it was his initiative that what we see today it has come to see the day of light.
ओके.
कितलो फायदो जातलो हेचो सबस्टेशनाचो ते केलो तेजो?
फायदो जातलो पण आता हे सबस्टेशन त्यांनी बांधलेले आहा फॉर अनदर 25 years enhancement, and it is upgradation of the old system to the new system. So they have bought actually all this system from Germany, from Siemens, this thing. So it's really state of its art thing what they have set up. It is totally impressive.
ओके. सर तुम्ही एक केल्लो
एक
स्टेटमेंट
statement
केल्लो
दिलेलो
की बिफोर गणेश लेबर्सां खातीर गुड न्यूज मेळपाक शकता हेचेर.
It's on its way.
केन्नाच्यान जातली?
गणेशा अजून टायम आहा न्हू. बिफोर गणेश
गणेश पावलो लागी.
गणेश पावला लागून गणेशाच्या पयलें जावंक जाय. वन फायनल मीटिंग आय गॉट टू हॅव विथ द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑन दॅट इशू.
कितें ती आसतली गुड न्यूज अशी?
No, final meeting I have got to discuss with the chief minister on that issue. So I will discuss with him in these 2 days' time. So be rest assured, before Ganesh, all the laborers will get good news. The rest.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.